Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. As you can see today, I have some Crochet Goddess box braids on my head and I'm absolutely loving it. It's been forever since I did any type of box braids or something similar to my hair. I think I've spent most of my time in natural hairstyles and wigs and clip-ins, and I'm like, how did I not do this? Like, I've been missing out, and I feel like now that I think of it, I feel like I'm missing out on such a big part of, like, hairstyling and all that stuff. So I think I'm actually going to do like a lot of box braids coming up soon, and probably try out some passion twists. Do you know that I have not tried passion twists at all? And I'm like, how? But since I did this, I'm like, I've been missing out. Like, I need to get back into this and have more fun with my hair and try many different things. So as you can see, I'm just showing you how I did my braid pattern under the Crochet Goddess box braids. If you're not new on the channel, you know how much I'm not a fan of making lines, especially straight lines. So this is what actually took most of my time. It took me about 2 hours to do everything, and I feel like most of the time was actually spent on doing this, making the lines and also cutting the little boxes, as you're going to see. So at the front, I did 5 rectangular boxes on each side, and then the first one, which is what I'm going to start with right now, I did 3 little boxes. I'm going to use my Shine and Jam Gel. One actual pointer that I never see people mentioning is actually, like, when you're doing the boxes, please make sure that you don't do them so tightly, because if you do them so tightly, it's going to be really tight when you crochet in the hair. Now my skull or my head is super tender, and so I like to be gentle with it. So when I'm doing this, I like to make sure that I'm creating space so that I'll have enough space for me to insert the crochet braid. I have seen people doing it really tightly, and I'm just like, girl, I don't know how, like, you're going to feel like after you finish doing in all the crochet. But anyways, to each their own, because for me, I know I'm definitely the type who will get up in the middle of the night and take out all my braids. Like, I have done that before when someone did my hair, and since then I'm just like, no. Especially now that I do my own hair, most of the time I always make sure that I'm keeping myself in mind and how I'm going to feel with the process and all that good stuff. So I always make sure that I just, leave enough space for the crochet so that I don't get a headache out of it. So this is one option that you can do. So as you can see, I'm doing like individual little crochet or like individual little twist. You can do like a box braid with just using your hair if you want to, and then connect them after. The other option is this, where you can actually connect them as you're going, and I'm just doing it to show you ladies how you can do that. So you do the first one, and then you connect it to the second braid, and then you go on ahead and twist them together. So you can continue doing that until you get to the last box. So at the top I did 5 boxes, and then at the bottom I did 3, the middle ones I did 4, and at the top here I did 5 little boxes. You can do them smaller or bigger depending on the braids that you're going to crochet in. If they're bigger braids or they're smaller braids, then maybe adjust the size of the boxes that you're making so that it looks more natural. But other than that, this is what took me forever to do. I wanted to actually do the individual ones because I was thinking that I might do some forelocks after, but I'm not sure. I will keep you guys updated. If I do it, I'm going to make sure that I do upload the video. Now, are we going to say like kudos to me, or at least I'm happy and excited and proud of myself for actually uploading another video? If you have not watched the last video, I did upload a video on Saturday. I'm going to leave it linked down below so you can definitely check it out. I feel like I'm really, coming back and getting back into the game of everything, and I've been super active on Instagram and on Facebook. So I'm happy and proud of myself. I feel like I'm really enjoying this again. If you're not new here, I was taking kind of like a little break and just getting a hang of things and trying to figure myself out and what I wanted to do with the channel and with content creation. And just honestly, I feel like I was trying to get a new balance of me, and I think I've changed for some reason, or maybe just life has happened, and I feel like I've changed a lot, and I was trying to get a balance of that, and now I feel like I'm kind of like sort of balanced, a little bit, and I'm kind of getting a feel of who I am right now. It's weird, but like I think like those are important times, like to focus on ourselves and just get to know ourselves again, and to find who we are. It's a normal part of life, so I don't think it should be a scary moment, but you should definitely enjoy it. So this video is sponsored by Toyotress. I'm going to leave all the hair details linked down below, and by the way, there's a chance of getting money off or discount down below in the description. You can follow them on Instagram and on Facebook, and you will actually get amount of money off. It's available on Instagram. I love buying things. Amazon. I don't know why I'm obsessed with Instagram right now. The hair is available on Amazon. I love buying Amazon, especially because I have Amazon Prime. It arrives super quickly, and as you can see, the hair is beautiful and gorgeous. And did I say the color? Did I just say the color? Like I don't think I've had color in my hair for like the longest time, and since I have this, like I still have the Goddess braids in my hair right now, and I love it. I love it. I'm so glad that I got the color. This is like tea burgundy or burgundy 350. I'm going to leave all the details down below in the description. Make sure you check it out and click the link there. If you're going to purchase, you will get some dollars off, especially if you follow them on their Facebook group and Instagram. They're also on TikTok and all the other good stuff as well. But Toyotresses, y'all killed it with this Goddess crochet box braids. I love them, love the color, and they're so easy to install. Like I said, it took me 2 hours to do everything. But enough about me. How are you ladies doing? It's fall here in Canada, and I live in Vancouver, so it rains a lot here in Vancouver, and that's what we've had, a lot of rains going on, and basically a few sunny days. And I feel like even right now as I'm talking, like it looks super cloudy and dark and gloomy outside, but for some reason I feel like since I found a happy equilibrium of myself, I've been quite excited, quite happy about life. I don't know, I feel great. I hope you're feeling great as well. I hope you're excited about like the fall outfits and all the nice things that come with fall, apart from rain and snow. But if you like rain and snow, then kudos to you. I'm not a huge fan of rain or snow, but I like fall outfits. Like I get to take out my jackets and stuff. I have definitely taken out all my fall outfits, and I sort of like stored away my summer outfits. Not for some reason, I know exactly why. I shop too much. My closet does not fit all my clothes anymore, so I actually have to take out like summer outfits and like winter outfits and all that stuff. But as you can see, the crochet process is super duper easy, and how to explain crochet? Put the needle in, pull the hair out, and there you go. I found like actually sometimes when you do crochet, like the hair is usually super tight and they're hard to do, but this one's actually pretty easy. I like the size of the loop. Is it a loop? I would say a loop, or the hole that they have to do the crochet. Like it makes it easier for you to do the crochet, and they actually come, like they put a crochet needle in your pack, which I'm like, oh my god, it's amazing. Do y'all ever try to do crochet braids and like you don't know where you last put your crochet needle? Because I always do that, and then you go crazy trying to find it. And honestly, if I can't find it, I feel like sometimes I just give up and do something else with my hair. So I thought it was pretty nice that they put a crochet needle for you, so that you just open the pack and you get rolling. This is what the hair looks like. I love it. I love this color. I love the curls as well. Oh, so beautiful. And I've received super many compliments with this hair color and just how the hair looks on me. So as you can see at the front section, I never leave out a lot of hair or baby hairs when I'm doing braids or crocheting my hair, mostly because I don't do like a lot of the baby hair stuff. But my hair is not pulled, it's not tight, it feels nice and relaxing, and I'm not going to need a Tylenol to go to sleep. So I'm enjoying it. But just to lay my edges a little bit, I'm just going to go in with a Shine and Jam gel, and I'm going to just sort of like swoop all the little stubborn hairs that I have at the front and just make it look nice and neat. Is this necessary? Absolutely not, but I like to do it sometimes. Sometimes I don't do it, but anyways, it's about you. It's about having fun, what you like doing, what makes you feel good, and that is all I'm about, honestly. That's all I'm about. If I can get you to feel good about yourself, my job is accomplished, and I love that. But look at this, ladies. Like, I love it. I really am obsessed with this color. I'm actually looking forward to try like different other colors and just see how I feel about them. I don't know if it's braids that are making me feel excited about actually coming back and creating videos, but I'm so glad that I'm doing it. I'm glad that I'm sitting in front of the camera and actually filming my hair and just sharing that with you ladies. Again, if you didn't watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, I'm going to leave it linked down below. It's a super cute natural hairstyle, so if you're looking for style inspirations, I have a ton of video on this channel, so make sure you check those videos out and check the one that I uploaded on Saturday that is linked below. Again, all the hair details, where you can purchase the hair, how you can get some money off, are all going to be in the description section down below. As you can see, like the little hairstyles, they're cute. I love it. I love it. I really love the curls as well, like the color, the curls. Anyways, I love everything about this hair. I absolutely love it. Would definitely recommend that you try it, and if you're going to try it, make sure you get a discount off. I love a good discount. I hope you do too. But okay, so more styles. I'm going to just change it up a little bit and do like a side little hanging ponytail, just because I really love the way the curls look, and I like, you know, how the color transitions. I love it, and I think like it will hang really nicely on the side, as you can see. I feel like a new woman, honestly. I feel like a new woman. I feel excited to be back. I appreciate all the welcome back messages from the last video on YouTube and on Facebook. And if you're looking for more like style inspirations, like I don't know, like I want to call myself like a little plus size girl, but okay, maybe I will say I'm like a mid-size, because sometimes I wear a large, extra large, or like a 1X. So I'll say like I'm a mid-size girl. So if you're looking for those kind of style inspirations, I'm going to be uploading like fashion styles videos on Instagram. So check that out if you're interested in that. But all in all the hair details are down below. The hair is from Toyotress, and if you want some money off, the link is going to be in the description section down below. Follow them on Instagram and on Facebook, and I hope you enjoy this, ladies. I hope you're going to try it out. I hope you're having a nice week, and hopefully I'll see you on Saturday. I'm trying to stay motivated and being committed to uploading more videos. That is all, ladies. Thanks for coming by the channel. I hope I see you soon. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye.